With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given, what will be the product of the following reaction, right? So you have been given an aniline, and along with it this whole compound is given. So first of all, when you treat this compound with H plus, let's see how the reaction takes place. When you treat this CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So when you treat it with H plus, when it is treated with H plus, you get the formation of compound like this. You have H3C double bond O, CH2, CH2, and now here what will happen? There will be formation of O positive and H will be attached here, and finally it will be CH3, right? So this H plus will attack, this H plus will attack here, and finally it will form the compound like this. Now you can see that the positive charge on this carbon has been increased. There has been increase in the positive charge on this carbon, that is the electrophilic nature. And finally what will happen, that the benzene ring, which was if you draw the benzene ring and the aniline like this, here you can see there is lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom. Lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom, it will attack this carbon, and finally the compound which will be formed is like this. You have H3C double bond O, CH2, CH2, then you have C here, right? And here you will have formation of OH, CH3, and finally here one hydrogen and this ring, right? Phenyl ring. So this is the compound which will be formed. Now still the lone pair is present on the nitrogen atom, and since this carbon is electrophilic in nature, it will go and attack this carbon having the delta plus charge. And finally what will be the product form? In that case you can see there will be a ring formation. And what will be the ring formation? Let's write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we count from here, then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's form a 5-membered ring. So if you form a 5-membered ring like this, this is the 5-membered ring. And if you number this 5-membered ring like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you can see that at the 5th position you have nitrogen and a phenyl ring. So what you are going to draw? Let's draw it. At the 5th position you have nitrogen. So we will write here nitrogen, and you have here one phenyl ring. So we will write pH. Now what is important? At the first position OH will be here present when it has attacked this carbonyl carbon, and you have this CH3 also, right? So you have this one methyl group present at the first position. Then at the 4th position you have one OH, fine, and then you have one CH3, that is one methyl group at the 4th position. Now we have drawn the complete structure. Now what was asked in the question, it was given that after this heat was supplied. So when heat is supplied, elimination reaction is performed and water will be released. If hydrogen is present here, what will happen? One molecule of water will be released from these sides, and finally the compound which you will get is like this. You have this 5-membered ring. You have this 5-membered ring. Here one methyl group will be present. Here one methyl group will be present. There will be a double bond here, and there will be a double bond here, and here you will have nitrogen, right? Here nitrogen will be present. Here you will have nitrogen, right? Now here you have nitrogen, and with nitrogen you have pH attached here. So this is the entire compound which will be formed after heating and after eliminating water, right? Minus 2H2O. So like this will be the compound which is formed. So let's check which option is correct. So if you number this, let's number this just in order to check the options. So if you say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So at 2nd position a methyl group should be there, and at 5th position a methyl group should be there. So let's check the first one. Definitely there is double bond with relation to nitrogen, so this cannot be the answer. But in the second compound, you can see very well that if you give this number 1, then it will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5. So at 2nd and at 5th position you have methyl group, right? At second and at fifth position you have methyl group, and then there is a double bond. So alternate double bond is there, yes. So you will say that this option B is completely, it's correct, right? You can see this is correct. Now option C, definitely it's wrong. Why? Because CH3 and CH3, these are attached adjacent to each other, which is not the condition here. You can see very well. Then in the next compound also, that is in option D also, you can see that the CH3 and CH3, if the you will mark the position, then if it is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So at 2 and 4 CH3 is there, but at 2 and 5 CH3 should be there. So finally you will say that option B is the right answer. So we'll write here that option B is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.